Well, you're probably aware that Amphenol TPC is a supplier of durable wire and cable for harsh industrial environments. Did you know that we also carry a premium line of cable glands and strain reliefs? We call these grip seals and Kord-Gards, and they cover a wide range of styles, including aluminum, nylon, stainless steel, heat and chemical resistant in both straight and 90-degree styles, with or without strain relief. Let's take a look at the features that make ATPC's grip seals and Kord-Gards the best choice for your cable. First, each grip seal or Kord-Gard is sold as a kit that contains everything you need for quick assembly and maximum cable protection. For example, see these sealing bushings? Most cable glands or kellums come with only one of these, so you need to stock a lot of different part numbers to cover your range of cable diameters. Amphenol TPC's grip seals and Kord-Gards come complete with multiple bushings in the kit, so you've always got the right size without carrying excessive inventory. Next, notice the recessed O-ring on the mounting flange as well as the lock nut. You should always have these to secure a cable gland to a panel and keep moisture and contaminants out, but they're not included with many other cable glands. All grip seals and Kord-Gards come complete with these at no extra charge, so you always have them for your install. Let's look at the mesh strain relief on the Kord-Gard. Notice our multi-weave stainless steel construction. The mesh is doubled up on the bottom half, on the larger sizes, all the way to the top, for extra strength where you need it most. This prevents the cable from bending too close to the panel and creating a pinch point. Not all strain reliefs have this. Amphenol TPC's Kord-Gards always do. Finally, look at the stainless steel stranding itself. Even on the part that is single weave, notice that our stranding is a heavier gauge and more robust than most commodity strain reliefs. This reduces fatigue on the cable and is much more durable. For more information, please visit tpcwire.com.